month back, I think we have already distributed all the amount which was distributed to all the associations. And after that, they have taken the initiative and they have started their trial process, where they are going to every district and they are having trials in every district. So the process is still going on. So we'll be having a review meeting maybe after some period of time. But as of now, we are letting them finish all the trials.
How's the response when it comes to trials? People, athletes coming up?
Yeah, as far as I have seen and I've spoken to a few associations, so we are getting a very good response. But like I said, see, this is a process where it has to keep on going on till the national games are are being held. So along the process, we are getting good response. And like I said, after I take a review from all the associations, then I can tell you better. In terms of infrastructure, we have no problem. As of now, we are fully equipped with all the infrastructures that are needed. No doubt, there are few infrastructures that need some renovation. A bit of here and there is always there. But when we talk about the large infrastructure, I believe we are fully equipped. Of course, I keep on saying, I keep on telling this, that this is a very, very great opportunity for the athletes of our state. It's a very, very huge platform. And with the national games being held here, you never know when it's going to come again. So for all the sports loving people, the athletes of our state, this is a great opportunity to grow and shine. My only message to our athletes is, since this opportunity has, is there for all of you, make sure you work hard. That is my only advice, because this is a great opportunity. Maybe through this platform, you can achieve all your goals. That is what all your goals that you have.